Larson Electronics is the leader of American-made and manufactured UV lighting technology. At our Texas-based location, we build and manufacture UV lighting products that kill 99% of viruses, mold, bacteria, and other harmful microbes and pathogens. From concept to design, our UV lighting products are built from the ground up using state-of-the-art technology and over 5 million in fabrication equipment, including CNC laser cutting machines, brake presses, water jet tables, mills, band saws, tube benders, plate rollers, fasteners, and more. In our fabrication shops, our team of welders, lighting designers, and master electricians assist in building our UV products through their various stages of development. Our UV products are tested and inspected by our quality control team before shipping to the customer. Our UV lighting products ship worldwide to a variety of industries, including medical, industrial, commercial, retail, entertainment, schools, offices, and much more. Larson Electronics, the leader of American-made and manufactured UV lighting technology. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.